Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to show you how to send Google Calendar invite in email. First of all, you need to be visit on calendar.google.com. If you go over there and search Google Calendar, you will find out this website over that place in the top bottom. So click over here. Once you click over here, it will redirect you to here. So here you can see in the right corner top side, you can measure it by month, year, whatever you want is totally up to you. So the interface, if I click over in month, the interface will be like this. So I'm going to select a date that will be 17. Just click over here. Once I click over here, they will give me the time period 8 a.m. 9 a.m. 10 a.m. so where I want to set the meeting time. So here I just want to sit on a interview in 4 p.m. just click over here. Once I click over here, a pop-up will become over my desktop or my interface. Here I will give a title that will be meeting, and I have different options here you can see. So I'm going to invite a guest that will be mine. So I'm going to make a meeting with this person, that's why I invited him. So now I am going to copy this Google Meet link, and you can see up to 100 guest connection is allowed. Then I'm going to add the description. Once I paste it here, then my work literally done. So now I have few work that will be, I need to be click on save, or I can change some permission here, like if I want to give permission, then I can tick here or I can uncheck here. So it's totally depend on you what kind of thing do you want. So right now I just want to click on save. Once I click over here, they will give you, would you like to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guest? So I am going to click over here, send. Yes, I want to send. So once you click on send, it will redirect you to this page, and you can see your event has been saved and your mail has been sent it to your guest. So the process is really simple, and I try my best to give you in a quick tutorial step by step guideline. So I hope you love this video, and if you found out this video is literally 1% helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button.